Hello, my lovely viewers. I really appreciate your likes, your comments, and your subscription. Thanks so much. Today, we are going to have some local drinks. I have some of my girls around, some of my students, and they said, Madam, teach us some local drinks. And so we are going to have some rice drink, and also we're going to have ginger and lemon drink. And so that's what you're going to prepare today, and you can give this a try at home. Please subscribe if you have not yet done so. And so we already have our rice in water. I have a cup of rice. I soaked it overnight, and so that's what you're supposed to do. You can use any rice of your choice, whether perfume rice, local rice, or any rice. Just soak it overnight so that it can be soft for you. And so what I'll do is I'm going to pour the water away and then pour the rice into the blender, add water and blend everything. We're also going to make use of some Negro peppers and also cloves and also ginger. Yes, we are not going to use all the ginger for one drink. As I said, we are going to make two drinks, so ginger and lemon drink and also the rice drink. And so our Negro pepper and our cloves, yes, we are going to use this also. And we are also going to make use of lemon and sugar. Yes, you can use sweetener if you're on keto diet, or maple syrup, or how do you call it, I'm not remembering the name, so I just pour the rice into it. I want to say honey. Yes, you can add honey also to it. So I just pour the water out and just pour the rice into my blender. So I'm going to add some Negro pepper and also cloves to it. The quantity depends on you, how you want it in the drink. So I'm not going to add that much. So this, and I'm add a few more or a bit more. And so my Negro pepper is also, I'm going to add it to it. Yes, and then I'll add a bit of the cloves also to it, just a little. And I'm going to add water to it, but I also add my ginger to it. My girls are chopping the gingers, and so they will chop the gingers. Yes, that's one of my girls. Okay, so just a little of the ginger, and then we will add it. Not everything you see on the chopping board, no, that will be too much for us. Okay, and so the ginger is not to make it hot, just to give it some flavor. And so we're going to add this to it and blend everything together. Sorry, my camera went off at that point, so you couldn't see the actual quantity I was adding, but I didn't add much. And so we are done blending this, and we are going to strain it and blend it again. You strain it, and that is not all. We strain, get the water or the drink out, and then blend it again. And so pour it back into the blender, and then we are going to add water to it and then blend it again. You will love this drink. It tastes so great and nice. You're going to enjoy it. Most of us go to weddings, funerals, and all that. They serve us with these drinks, and so we love them. This is how it is being prepared. So just give it a try at home. We're straining it again, and we will blend it for the third time. And so when we blend it the third time, we are not going to blend it again. Yes, you're not going to blend. So that's it. You're going to blend it another one, or for the third time, and we're going to add, so this is our drink. We are going to add water to it and then blend it again. So we are blending so we get the rice, everything from it. Okay, and so my dear, if you are here watching and you want to lose weight, check on my channel. I have keto challenge there. It's a 30 days challenge. All that you need to do is to follow that challenge, and you will see the results you want and you will enjoy. So I'm adding more water to rinse it very well. Okay, so this one we are going to discard it, we are not going to use it. And so this is our drink. I'm pouring everything back into the blender, and I'm going to strain it again, this time around with cheesecloth, so that I can get all the chaff from it. And my cheesecloth, this one is organza fabric that I'm using. Anything that can help you to strain it or get the chaff from it, just use it, and that'll be okay. So this is it. Okay, squeeze it to get everything out. This one, you don't need to squeeze it with all your might and all your strength. Just give it a slight squeeze and everything will come out. So we are done. This is our rice drink. I'm going to add more water. You can add more water. Also add our sugar to it, and you will love everything. And so this is it for the drink. Onion. You can add maple syrup. You can add any sweetener of your choice, honey to it, and that will be okay for you. And so this is our rice drink. You just have to package it this way, keep it in the fridge, and enjoy. So now we are working on our lemons, also for the lemon and ginger juice. And so we have our cloves, our Negro pepper, and then our ginger. My girls are working on the lemon. Yeah, she's squeezing the lemon, and this one too is washing. We cook and clean at the same time. My sister is also trying to slice some lemon for some garnishing. And so we are going to blend our ginger, and the main ingredient of this drink is ginger. My girls were like, "Madam, we want more ginger." Oh. We are adding the Negro pepper and the cloves to it. We add water also to it, and then we're going to blend everything together. If your blender is not that strong, then the Negro pepper, you would have to use mortar or grinder to grind it before you add it. If not, you spoil your blender. Okay, and so we'll blend everything, and we are going to strain it now to get the liquid out. Then we'll blend it again. We are going to blend it the second time. So this ginger lemon drink, this one is keto compliant, and so you can drink it. But with a rice drink, because of the rice, if you're on keto diet, you cannot take it. But with this, all that you need to do is, instead of using sugar, just use your stevia sweetener, and that is also okay. Okay, we'll blend this. We'll add water to it and blend it again. And this one, we are just blending it twice, and that will be okay. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video, share, and leave a comment. Help a sister to grow her channel. Okay, so we are done, and we are going to strain it. Okay, as I said, if you are here and you want to lose weight, just check on the channel, 30 days keto challenge there, and follow. Add more water to rinse it very well. Add more water, add more water, add more water. And get everything out. So I'm trying to squeeze everything out, yes, with my spatula. Okay, so this is it. Okay, adding more water. This one, more water. Okay, and so what you're going to do is, this one we will discard it. We are not going to use it, and then we will strain the drink again with our cheesecloth. But before then, we'll add in our lemon juice, the lemon that we squeezed. We'll add everything to it. Then we'll pour everything into the blender, and then we are going to use our organza clove to strain everything out, get all the chaff from it, and get our drink. So this is it. Squeeze it gently, not with all your might and all your strength. Just be gentle with it. It's not that difficult squeezing. So this is our drink. We are going to add our sugar. As I said, if you're on keto, you can use your stevia sweetener. You can also use honey, maple syrup, or any sweetener of your choice. And the sugar too, you can make it into sugar syrup. Just add it to water, put it on fire, melt it before you add it to the drink, and that will be okay. And so you are going to pour it into our mug, and that is it for our lemon ginger juice or drink. This one is Ɛmuduru. You will love it. So this is it for the ginger and lemon drink. And so, my dear, we are done with our rice drink and our ginger and lemon drink. You will love every bit of it. Every bit of it. You're going to enjoy it. And this is healing too. It is healing. Everything in there is organic. And I've added some ice cubes to the rice juice or rice drink. You're going to love it. So give this a try and let me know how it is for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video, and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.